start chapter number 3, that is Boolean logic. And in this chapter we are going to study about the Boolean variables, what are Boolean expressions, and the various Boolean operators and truth table. So let us start with today's topic. First of all, we will see what is Boolean logic. Boolean logic are also known as Boolean algebra and was developed by mathematician George Boole. So this is basically an algebra known as Boolean algebra, which was proposed by great mathematician George Boole, and after his name this algebra is known as Boolean algebra. Binary valued quantity. Binary value quantities can be 0 and 1. As you know, binary numbers are 0 and 1, right? So the binary valued quantities can be 0 and 1, or true or false, or right or wrong. There are only two possible values. Binary data is data whose unit can take only two possible states, that is 0 and 1, where 0 represents false and 1 represents true. The decisions which result into either yes or no is called binary decision. So all those statements or decisions which results either in true or false, or yes or no, are called as binary decision, because there are only two output. The values true and false are also called truth values. So these values true and false are also known as truth value. Boolean variables can have values either 1 or 0. 1 is for true and 0 for false. The next is logical operation. Before starting logical operation, let us begin with logical function first. Logical operators are also used to combine logical variables and logical constants to form logical operations. So with help of logical operators, we can combine logical variables and logical constants to form logical expression. What are logical constants? True and false. And logical variable are variable which can store either true or false. So the example for this, suppose x and y are two logical variables. So we can write the logical expressions or logical functions as follows: x not y or z. So this is called a logical function. Y not x and z. This is another example of logical operation. Then next is truth table. A truth table is a table that represents all the possible values of logical variable statement along with all possible results of given combination of values. So what is a truth table? It is a type of table that represents all possible values of logical variable and statements along with all the possible result of the given combination of values. In this example, we have two variables a and b in the input. So as we have two variables, so we may have 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possible combination for these input values. And as a and b are logical variables, so they can have the value either 0 or 1. So with two input variables we can have 4 combination. First, if both the input a as well as b are 1, then we get the output as 1. If another combination is input A is 0 and input B is 1. Next combination can be input A is 1 but the input B is 0, and the last combination can be both the inputs A and B are 0, and this is the output based on these two input. So this is how we can create a truth table. Now logical operators. There are three types of logical operators that are used in Boolean algebra: AND, OR and NOT. AND, OR and NOT. So let us start with NOT operator first. The NOT operator acts on a single variable. It acts on a single variable because it is a unary operator. Unary operator, as you know, can act on a single variable at a time. That means they need only one operand to function. Operation performed by NOT operator is called complementation. So the function performed by NOT operator is called what? Complementation, and the symbol we use for it is bar, and we use bar symbol to represent NOT operator. Therefore X bar, so we can write X and this is bar sign, X bar, or X and this horizontal line at the top of variable. This we will read it as bar. So X bar or X bar means complement of X, and YZ whole bar, this is whole bar. YZ whole bar or YZ whole bar means complement of YZ. So in case of NOT operator, if the value of logical variable is 0, the 0 bar becomes 1 and 1 bar becomes 0. So this is basically an inverter operator which change the state of variable from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So this is a truth table for NOT operator, in which, since it is a unary operator, it needs only one operand to function. So if input X is 0, this is basically X bar in the output. So X bar makes 0 as 1, and if input X is 1, then the X bar becomes 0. Next is OR operator. The OR operator acts on two or more variables. So this is a binary operator, so it needs at least two operand to function. Operation performed by OR operator is called logical addition. So the operation that a logical operator OR performs is known as logical addition, and the symbol we use it for is plus. So we use plus symbol for logical addition. Therefore X plus Y can be read as X or Y. For OR operation, possible input output combinations are so here the possible input output combination: 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1. Means if 0 represents off and 1 represents on, if both the inputs are off, it gives or low, we can say. If both the inputs are low, we get low in the output. But if any of the input is, or both the input are high, then we get the output as high. This is the truth table for OR operator. We have X and Y, two variables, so 4 combinations can be prepared: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. So what is the logic behind preparing this table? Because we have 2 to the power 2, that is 4 combination. So half of 4 is 2. So we will prepare this table in this way. First column we will write 2 0 2 1 and then 0 1 0 1. So this is the output for a OR operation X or Y, 0 1 1 1. Then we have AND operator. The AND operator also acts on two or more variables. Operation performed by AND operator is called logical multiplication, and the symbol we use for it is dot. Therefore X dot Y can be read as X and Y. For AND operator operation, possible input output combinations are 0.0 is 0, 0.1 is 0, 1.0 is also 0, and only 1.1 gives you 1 in the output. And this is the truth table for, instead of OR we should write AND here, because this is truth table for AND. So you can change this OR to AND. So this is all about the logical operators and introduction of Boolean logic. So hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.